And actually, you touched on something good. It's like, oh, what if they want to steal my products? I
Mm.
think that's a point we could also talk about. Like, how do we usually avoid that? There's one you spoke about that the other day,
Mm.
where you had a company and they really liked the product. It was a custom design. They really liked it. And they're like, oh, cool. Like, you had to make an agreement. How does that
Yeah.
work? Like, how do you avoid them just copying it and doing it?
Well, be honest, it's very basic. Like all the Western world also will do, like you sign a contract. But the difference between as a foreigner, you sign a contract with the Chinese manufacturer, hey, you need to keep our secret or something. For the factory that you are far away in another country, and it doesn't fit with our law. So if I sell in my market, you probably don't know. I sell in China. Okay, I sell in China, but if you sell in China, the other people will also store the idea and it will be everywhere.
Yes.
But if me, like as a Chinese company, I sign a contract with them, they know if it's between Chinese and Chinese. So it's the law protected by China. So if I want to shoot them, I can shoot them directly, go to the court. That is fast. So
Yeah.
they feel a little bit pressure. But if it's a foreigner, they say, oh, there's somewhere else. Maybe it's too much for them to buy the flight ticket to China. Maybe they will not do that because the flight ticket to China is to be expensive though.
Yeah.
So, and then they need a hotel, and then they need to hire a lawyer. They need to hire a translator to speak Chinese. And then I just do little thing for them. It's just a little bit loss. But if they want to go with us to the court, the foreigner need to spend a lot of money. So they don't feel threatened by the contract. But for us, it will be like we are in China. So if we are like between company and Chinese company, we go to the court, it's very easy. So that's why I was thinking this is normally what we do. Yeah.
This is very simple, right?
Yeah.
Also, like there's one little thing that we like to do is where when you have different components, we just have them, we order them all to that guy that does it. So we just get all the different pieces to
Yeah,
one
to
manufacturer
combine.
ourselves without
Yeah.
telling him like this is the manufacturer, this is that, this is that, this is that.
Yes.
And then that works as well.